Welcome back to Rhinos Productions. Today we're gonna make... You already know what we're making though, because you saw it in the thumbnail. Let's start making. So I got this big behemoth all glued up, and now we're gonna trim the edges and trim the sides and then plane it down, and we're gonna sand it, and we're gonna use a router, and we're gonna route the edges, we're gonna make grip holes, and we're gonna put oil on it, and then it'll be done. Let's get to it. I need to do more. So like I said, first we're gonna and then we're gonna and then we're gonna and then we're gonna takes a whole lot of liquor to like her. Now it's time for a lot of sanding. So I got it all sanded up, and now it's time for my favorite part, putting some oil on the walnut. I got one handle right here, and another one right here. Now let's go put them on the cutting board. Well, here it is, the biggest cutting board I've ever made. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe as always. Remember, it's a great day for a great day. Have a good one, you guys. Bye-bye.